Hey everybody, welcome to this platform. And today's video we have given a question: a power 1 over 4 plus b power 1 over 2, which equals to 1, and we are supposed to find the value of a is equal to what? Solution: then of course everything you are going to do, you're supposed to start from what you have given is a power 1 over 4 plus a power 1 over 2 equals 1. And of course, if you're still nicely here, this one is less than 1 over 2. That's why we are going to write our t to be equal to 1 over 4, because this is this one is less than 1 over 2, to be t plus t squared equals to 1, right? By rearranging t power 2 or t squared plus t minus 1 will be 0, right? Then here, by using formula method, because this is quadratic equation, we have to find a equals to 1, b equals to 1, 2, and c equals to -1. And of course, we shall continue by finding t 1 and 2 will be -b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, right, over 2a. What is that? And of course, this is equal to -b, that is -1 plus or minus square root of 1 squared is equal to 1 minus 4 times 1 times -1 over 2 times 1, that is 2. And this is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4 over 2. And this is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. And here, this is the values of t that we have, because t1 here is equal to -1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and t2 that is equal to -1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Right, then at this stage here, if you know that here a power 1 over 4, that is a t, right, at this stage. And of course, once we come up here and above, we have this one, which is looks that it is plus, but this one it looks that it is negative. We shall reject them, this one. And of course, we shall remain with this one, which is a power 1 over 4 is equal to -1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And at this stage here, we want to still remain with a only. We shall say a power 1 over 4, and power 4 will be -1 plus square root of 5 over 2, then power 4. To get that here, this one will be cancelled to get a, which is equal to -1 plus square root of 5 over 2, then power 4. And if you have this one raised to the power 4, what should we get? We shall have a, which equals to -1 plus square root of 5 power 4 over 2 power 4. And this is equal to a, which equals to -1 plus square root of 5 power 4 over 16, right? At this stage here, because this one is raised to the power 4, we shall use Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle of when you have a plus b raised to the power of n, this will be 1, 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 1 and 1. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 2 plus 2 equals to 3. 1 and 1. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 3 plus 4, 1 equals to 4. And here, 1 and 1. We shall stop here because we have the number which is the highest power is 4. And of course, we have a which is equal to negative 1 plus square root of 5, then power 4 over 16. This will be a which equals to, we have this one, of course, negative 1 raised to the power 4. Okay, then here plus what here, and of course here this is the number that it should be multiplied right here, that is 4 times, of course this one should be negative 1 power 3, then times square root of 5. This power, when you add them, should be equals to 4, then plus 6 times negative 1 here, b squared times z square root of 5 squared, right? Then here at this stage we shall write that plus 4 times negative 1 times square root of 5 power 3, and this stage plus here square root of 5 power 4, which is equal to power 4. And of course a will be negative 1 power 4, that is 1, but here don't forget that we have 16 down here, right? And here we shall get plus, is it plus, we have negative 1 cubed, that is negative 4 times square root of 5, and of course this is negative 1 squared, shall bring plus 6 times here square root of 5 squared is equal to 5, then here we have negative 1 minus 4, this is equal to 5 square root of times 5 square root of 5, then plus here 5 times 5 equals to 25, and of course down here we have 16, right? Then here a is equal to 1 minus square root 4 square root of 5 plus 30, then minus 20 square root of 5 plus 25 over 16, and of course a will be, this is 31 plus 25, that is what we call 56, then minus 4 square root of 5 minus 20 square root of 5 over 16, and of course our final answer a will be 56 minus 24 square root of 5 over 16. But if we simplify, we shall get a which equals to, here we can simply factorize out here 8 to get 7 minus 3 square root of 5 over 16. And of course, our final answer, A, will be 7 minus 3 square root of 5 over 2. And this is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.